This one here, I gotta go turn on a winterized house. I was there. I've done this one a couple of years in a row. So I know he's got a wash machine valve that's questionable. I don't think it's shutting off. I think I gotta change that valve on there also. But try to get you some shots. It's that time of year, turning things back on, you know. Probably leave the outside shower off for now. It's still a little cool turning that on. But the rest of the house can get, you know, livened back up. I'm gonna meet the water department there and try to get you some shots. Good morning. Good morning there, sunshine. Good morning. Howdy doody. Howdy doody time. Yeah, it's howdy doody time. Yeah, it's howdy doody time. So I got the gasket in that one. The gasket here, these are still good gaskets. Meter's got an arrow. Meter's got to go a certain way. Water department should be coming. Should be here any time now. Put this back in. I still have to go upstairs and shut everything. Sounds like the dehumidifier has been running. Must have forgot to unplug it. Oh well. Better luck next time. Oh yeah, next level. Next level, y'all. Okay. Turn that on. We'll shut it off here. Turn the water on. You can see the arrow right there. You gotta put the meter in the right way. This outside shower is completely dead out there, but we want to just make sure that this is off. We don't want to put water to the outside shower. It needs to be rebuilt. I'm not going to do it yet. It's too cold. We'll shut these off for now. We'll make sure it's off outside, but
to 8 o'clock, so
that's all right.
Two places at once. We running around like a freaking maniac. Well, we're gonna take it easy.
You're going to be able to do non-quit without them, or you can always call them, right?
Oh, I've been doing them, yeah.
You've been calling them when you get in a jam?
Oh, hey, where's this?
Yeah. Yeah, he knows. Well, that thing's way down in there, guy. Way down in there.
How can you take over Mike's position if you can't even freaking put a meter in?
He'll figure it out.
Backs me up.
It's all ready to go. Just
You're gonna do Jerry's job, and this is this.
how's your sister doing, Gail?
She's doing good. She's gonna move to Connecticut, or
I thought she was a farmer or something. Is she?
her daughter moved to Connecticut.
Why is that?
Her fiance's in the military.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He must be a character.
Oh, he's a good guy.
That's on?
That's on.
Fiancé sounds expensive.
Oh, I don't know. I guess that she sells her farm. I'm sure she's got a nice farm there, like a lot of acres.
Yeah. You want the thing off the meter?
Oh, I got the read already.
Oh, you got the read?
Yeah. Hey, things were so freaking good when we lost that other guy, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Me
So what's happened with him? He had to resign, huh?
Oh yeah, they told him to. They told him if he wanted his pension, if you want your pension, resign.
All right, it's on. You got the read then?
Yeah.
All right, I'll
183, right?
Oh, let me see. 1838, yeah, 5.
All right, yeah, the other one's on now.
They're all pretty close to being the same, huh? They use about the same amount of water, that's what it is.
Not too much. All right, Steve, have a good one. Oh, I got a paper for you to sign.
All right. Sign my life away. Gotta go around and shut everything off. I think that this one here is a problem. I think it's leaking by, if I remember right. That don't seem good. That seems a little stiff. Seems a little stiff there, Mama. I know this is off in the panel. Oh, it's off right here. Plug it in. I usually always take these out because if not they'll freeze. They split the water stays in here. They split a lot of times, so. Make sure that filter's back in there. I think I left that filter in there last time and just blew it out good. Gonna be a quickie. The tank for the toilet tank. And hopefully there's no issues. Usually not. Turn on the water and see what happens. There's only one outside faucet in the front that I have to check on. There's one back here, but it's not even hooked up, so that's off. I don't know why he took the bleeder off. It's frost free, so don't need to be bled. I don't know why they the old on there, Mama. The old on there. Tank's got this water heater's got to fill up first, so. Gotta fill this tank up first. We'll see if this thing's leaking. Watch, I got it off. Oh, maybe it's holding. It was blowing by with the air, though. Well, maybe not. We're gonna wait for it to fill up first. Yeah, I think it is leaking by. See, it's off. You can still really hear it. That valve's bad. This valve's got to be replaced. Really better to do that now before change that valve right away. Before we do anything else. Alright, so I got this valve switched out and changed out. Put a new one in there. I'm gonna probably do this in a different video. This change out, fixing this valve. Gotta do the hot, get rid of all the air in the hot water tank first. Want to get rid of all the air in the water tank so we can turn electrical onto it. Let me check this down in the basement, make sure that this isn't dripping here. The old Gandhi, Mama. The old Gandhi. So we'll fill the toilets up, make sure that there's no, they shut off properly and hold the water. Alright, so all the 220s I'll turn back on, because I shut them all off when I came here. I got electric heat in this house, this is the hot water right here. We'll turn all them back on. All the 220s back on, all the 110s are on. Let's go see if we can sneak up on the dog. Killer, you missed me. You missed me. You always want to run the shower and make sure that there's no leaks. You know, because these diverters sometimes leak in the wall. I mean, it's just how it is. Run everything to make sure that there's no water on the ceilings, you know. There's no guarantees on this stuff. I figured I got that valve partially open downstairs. I mean, it's not full bore yet, so. There's a little air in that filter, so let's see if there's any leaks down here. Everything looks good, I guess. I don't see no leaks. Washing machine. Power. Just want to get the water. So it comes out here. She's a spitter. She's a spitter. Alright, then we'll just push cancel to dump it. I just want to dump it. Flush all the antifreeze out, make sure that there's no water coming out here on the floor. Alright, my tank's good there at that level. As long as the toilet flushes. See any water here? This is on. We'll put this where it belongs. Everything looks good here. I don't see any water. We're good. Just make sure that there's no water coming down anywhere. And it's always good to look for water stains or water dripping. I don't see any, so that's good. I'm going to turn this valve on all the way. Now we're good to go. I don't see any leaks here. Water tank seems to be okay. That's a good height there. All the lights are off, so we're good. Oh yeah, look at what it is. It's my buddy. Hello. You doing a dance? Not so much. No. What's going on? No, you're not going to be able to go on Dancing with the Stars. No, you can't do it. Get up your game there, Chicken Little. Oh, yeah, next level. Oh, we said the shower valve's going to need to be replaced when it gets a little warmer out. Oh, yeah. I mean, the thing's flipping smoked. I mean, it's just a done deal. We'll have to put another one on there. It's not a bad head, though. It's a Speakman. I mean, that's a nice head right there, actually. That's actually a good head right there. But we'll just come back on this in the summer. It gets a little warmer. I'll replace this valve for him. Oh yeah, what is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, you're doing a dance. Are you doing a dance? No, so I'm gonna call and see if you go on Dancing with the Stars. Oh yeah, you will do good. Yeah. Huh? Dancing with the Stars.